Hello everyone. Today we're diving into the NEMIX RAM 64GB DDR5 kit, specifically the 4x16GB configuration running at 5600 MHz. This kit is designed for desktop PCs and workstations, and it's fully compatible with motherboards like the Asus TUF Gaming Z790 plus Wi-Fi. NEMIX RAM positions itself as a provider of high-quality memory solutions, and this DDR5 kit seems to align with that claim. The kit operates at 1.1V with a CL46 latency, adhering to the 288-pin UDIM standard. It's a non-ECC, unbuffered memory kit, making it suitable for a wide range of consumer and prosumer applications. One of the key selling points of NEMIX RAM is its focus on delivering enhanced performance. Memory upgrades are often the most straightforward and cost-effective way to boost a computer's overall speed and responsiveness. With 64 GB of DDR5 memory, users can expect significant improvements in multitasking, content creation, and gaming. Installation is typically a breeze, and NEMIX RAM emphasizes the ease of upgrading memory yourself. Of course, it's always recommended to consult your motherboard's manual for specific instructions. NEMIX RAM backs its products with a lifetime replacement warranty, which is a testament to their confidence in the quality and reliability of their memory modules. They also offer IT support, which can be helpful for users who are new to memory upgrades or encounter any issues during installation or operation. This NEMIX RAM kit could be a great option for anyone looking to upgrade their desktop PC or workstation with high-capacity, high-speed DDR5 memory. The lifetime warranty and support are definitely added bonuses.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.